There are so many cryptocurrencies in the market, which has led some people to wonder if it's headed for a bubble. However, such claims are overblown, as the general public is only just getting to terms with new forms of money. If anything, the more expensive currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are set to face huge competition from the likes of Dogecoin over the long run. One simple reason behind this is Dogecoin's affordability and accessibility. Dogecoin will gain additional value after its listing on major exchanges like Coinbase. The currency got further support from Elon Musk after he tweeted that he will be working with Dogecoin developers to improve the efficiency of payments. This is major news for Doge, as it shows that one of the leading CEOs in the world is looking to improve how consumers use Doge for payments. So how did we get to Elon Musk working with Doge developers, and what are the implications for Doge over the long run? Before we move on, don't forget to tap the subscribe button and turn on post notifications to stay up to date on what's going on with Dogecoin and developments in the broader crypto market. Also, consider joining our channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button. And don't forget to join the free Discord group via the link in the description. Since a sell-off triggered by Tesla billionaire Elon Musk and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin that wiped $300 billion from crypto markets, some are wondering if this is the beginning of the cryptocurrency's demise. Over the last 7 days, the price of Bitcoin has dropped by more than 20%, weighing down the whole crypto sector, and Doge has not been excluded from the negative shift in price and broader sentiment. Now Musk, Tesla's self-proclaimed techno king, has proposed a drastic Dogecoin update that he says is necessary for Dogecoin to become the currency of the earth. This is all good for Doge as it is super affordable, and there's a strong community behind it. As the transactions become easier to process, it will boost demand for the currency and anchor its price well above the $1 mark. Ideally, Doge speeds up block time 10 times, increases block size 10 times, and drops fee 100 times. Then it wins hands down, Musk said via Twitter in response to a post made by a Dogecoin fan account. So it's more efficient to use Doge for payments as its impact on the environment is not as harmful as Bitcoin. For those bad at math, 100 times higher transaction volume with 100 times lower fees means total fees earned stay the same, Musk added. Low fees and high volume are needed to become the currency of Earth. The idea is similar to one created by some Bitcoin developers and enthusiasts in 2017, which resulted in Bitcoin Cash, a so-called fork of Bitcoin that is ideally tailored to a much larger amount of smaller transactions. Musk, who said in February that none of his Dogecoin-related tweets should be taken seriously, had already raised the Dogecoin price this week with a Twitter poll asking if Tesla should consider Dogecoin as payment, shortly before shocking the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency world by abruptly ceasing to accept Bitcoin for Tesla car purchases. Elon Musk said last week that while Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin for car sales, the firm will consider other cryptocurrencies that require less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. This puts Dogecoin as a leading favorite to replace Bitcoin. In a recent tweet, the Tesla CEO posted that he has become increasingly concerned about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for mining Bitcoin and its transactions. Dogecoin may now be the contender to overtake Bitcoin, according to his Twitter conversation. Ideally for him, Doge will cut block time in half, raise block size 10-fold, and reduce fee by 100-fold. When you think about systems efficiency, this is a no-brainer. Also, the fact that it retails lower than $1 means it can be used for all sorts of purchases. So the developments in Bitcoin's price are probably worrying for most crypto watchers and investors, as it tends to cause a drop in all other cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, Elon Musk has continued to promote the value of the cryptocurrency while critiquing Bitcoin for its adverse effects on the environment. If you look at the chart we obtained from CoinDesk, you can see the huge price correction in Bitcoin. However, let's remember that the price of Bitcoin and Dogecoin have equally dropped in recent trading sessions. To put this into context, the price of Bitcoin has fallen to $45,000, about $20,000 below its all-time peak. This might be the start of a new bear run, or the bearish sentiment will fizzle out eventually, but there will be an inverse relationship between Doge adoption and Bitcoin. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at its lowest in a very long time, $40,000. Elon Musk's Twitter session for the weekend, though, was far from over. Late Sunday evening, he sparked another debate in the cryptocurrency community when he responded to a tweet saying Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the majority of their Bitcoin holdings. Later on, he clarified that Tesla had not sold any of its Bitcoin shares to date. Still, was the tweet a hint that Tesla might liquidate its position because it doesn't fit its ethos as an electric car manufacturer? Tesla had purchased $1.5 billion worth in Bitcoin earlier this year. Elon Musk has continued to promote Dogecoin while criticizing Bitcoin for its adverse environmental effects. However, the values of Bitcoin and Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies have dropped in recent days. The drop in Bitcoin has been much more severe than the likes of Dogecoin and Ethereum, so the news of Elon Musk working with Doge developers is a positive development for Doge over the long run. He tweeted that he was working with Dogecoin developers to boost transaction performance after saying that his electric vehicle company Tesla would not allow Bitcoin payments due to environmental concerns. In order for Dogecoin to compete with Bitcoin, it must increase its transaction speed. The co-founder of Ethereum, Charles Hoskinson, recently posted an 8-minute video about how to improve Dogecoin. He argues that Dogecoin is dense with scientific jargon, which it must change in order to streamline payments and make transactions more efficient. Since 2019, Elon Musk has been advising Dogecoin entrepreneurs according to the developers. They've already confirmed that a technical update is in the works. The currency soared last Friday after he announced it on Twitter. Given that Dogecoin hasn't seen full-time developers since the coin's creators left the project in 2015, the news may have come as a surprise to many. Several Twitter users welcomed Musk's statement. One of them said it's time people started realizing Dogecoin is here to stay. And another referred to Musk's previous assertion that the crypto would become the world's future currency. It does shed some light on Musk's near obsession of his favorite cryptocurrency. The billionaire, nicknaming himself the Doge Father, has sent Dogecoin's price soaring on many occasions thanks to his tweets. And last week, speculation that Musk would mention Dogecoin on SNL pushed the coin to another all-time high. Musk had previously offered them funding, but Nickel, a Dogecoin developer, said he had provided them with a lot of guidance, feedback, and connections. Previously, he had said on the audio app Clubhouse, Dogecoin was made as a joke to make fun of cryptocurrencies, but fate loves irony. And he added the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of the earth in the future. But recent news offers Dogecoin a much more stable foundation. There's a possibility Dogecoin will become more than a hashtag in the absence of speculation and fanfare. The whole industry, and particularly Dogecoin, is surrounded by a lot of speculation. We don't know which coins will pay off and which will fade into obscurity. Dogecoin has a lot to live up to, being the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. The coin's worth had dropped 19% in the previous week and increased 15% in the last 24 hours at the time of recording. It's also a risky and highly unpredictable investment. The lack of development in Dogecoin was a major concern, particularly given its meteoric rise. However, it also lacks full-time developers. What if a data breach occurs in the middle of the night? Other coins with lower market caps have teams available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. However, as the currency is being considered for companies such as Tesla, this could change. Coinbase's announcement this week that it will list Dogecoin in the next 6 to 8 weeks is another positive for the currency. It joins a few of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in trading Doge, but not all. It was never intended for Dogecoin to do something since it was made as a spoof coin. It lacks a white paper or a defined objective, which is why it's criticized for its lack of usefulness. But this could improve as it gains momentum as a currency. Dogecoin will gain traction in global cryptocurrency markets as a raft of celebrities have endorsed it. However, as Elon Musk works with Doge developers to improve the efficiency of the currency, it will become increasingly adopted across North America and Europe. There will continue to be uncertainty in the cryptocurrency markets, but the use cases for Dogecoin are increasing. As its transactions become more efficient, a larger number of platforms such as Coinbase as well as businesses will adopt the currency, and under such a scenario, it will likely become the currency of the people. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you very much for watching. Please consider leaving a like on this video, sharing it with your friends, hitting that subscribe button, and turning on post notifications to stay updated with market developments. Don't forget you can also join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits, and you can still join the free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section down below, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos. Good luck and happy investing.